everyone, and welcome back to Package Deal, unboxing the world of packaging. I'm Maywell.
And I'm Allison. Ayan, hello mga ka-partners. Consistent talaga tayo kasi episode 3 na from our pilot episode, the sustainable packaging, and last time, the Christmas episode. Ngayon naman, hello again mga ka-partners. Happy New Year!
Happy 2026, partner Allison, and of course to our mga kapartners watching online. Bagong taon na naman, and you know what that means? New Year's resolutions!
New Year's resolution na naman, of course. Pero partner Maywell, tanungin ko muna, paano mo sinalubong ang bagong taon mo?
Traffic. Traffic ang sumalubong sa akin this 2026. Medyo okay pa nung holiday season
Mm.
kasi walang mga tao, lahat nakabakasyon. But now, it's back to reality, back to the usual, regular life.
Kung okay nung bagong taon tsaka nung holiday season, ibig sabihin pumapasok ka nun, partner Maywell. Dahil we're back to our fast-paced lifestyle. Kung dati medyo chill-chill tayo kasi holiday
Mm.
season. Tas ngayon, back to work na naman. Ready na ba ulit to grab your coffee and drinks on the go?
Ay, partner Allison, since New Year na ngayon, may New Year's resolution ako.
Ay, let me hear that.
Healthy, new lifestyle. I want to change my lifestyle. Siyempre ngayon, healthy living, healthy choices na tayo.
Healthy living and healthy choices. Ako naman, active lifestyle. Pero
Yes!
dahil back to work na ulit tayo, ito na naman tayo sa mga very busy self natin na hindi maiiwasan yung mga pagkain at pag-inom natin. Gusto natin convenient. Yung kahit we're driving or commuting to or from work, yun yung masasabi natin, gusto natin, we want to safely consume our food or drinks.
Exactly. What we consume and the choices we make every day is influenced by the way we live. Lalong-lalo na ngayon na very busy, fast-paced na uli ang ating
Tama.
lifestyle. Balik na tayo sa busy days. Marami may gusto ng pagkain and inumin na perfect for this busy on-the-go life.
Kaya for today's episode, we're unboxing a topic na swak sa ating New Year's lifestyle ba?
Yes.
O kaya ang ating on-the-go or fast-paced lifestyle. Kasi ang episode natin for this time is the on-the-go or the OTG packaging.
On-the-go or OTG packaging is designed to meet the growing demand for sustainable packaging while also standing out in the market kasi syempre kakaiba yung itsura niya and also prioritizing convenience for our consumers.
Tama, and that's what we'll talk about today, the OTG or the on-the-go kit. How this packaging solution helps MSMEs elevate their beverage products with a more premium look in the market.
Again, Happy New Year to our mga kapartners, and just to remind you, Package Deal is your go-to packaging podcast where we, your hosts, special guests, and of course you, our audience, unbox the world of packaging together. This is a program by San Miguel Yamamura Packaging Corporation to promote and share packaging knowledge. Whether you're a business owner, a packaging enthusiast, or just someone na gusto lang matuto how packaging can make or break your product.
At syempre, hindi pwedeng kami na naman ang nandito. Kasi joining us today are special guests who work closely with MSMEs and see this firsthand. Please welcome our resource speakers from the distributorship team, Manly and MJ, the
Yay!
M&Ms.
Hello, partners! Hi, Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. I'm Manly and I'm handling distributors located in Tuguegarao, Baguio, Batangas, Cebu, Davao, and Cagayan de Oro.
Hi everyone! I'm excited to share stories and insights today. I am MJ, the product coordinator of distributorship team.
Yon, New Year, new faces tayo. And I'm sure our audience, di pa kayo kilala. So, partners MJ and Manly, what's it like being a podcaster? Wow!
Ano to, sanay na.
Sanay na.
No big deal.
Kasi parang experience eh. Kasi hindi naman ata halata na prepared kayo today. Prepared?
Diba?
Wala to.
Pati nga naman
Wala.
poses nyo dyan, parang hindi pinag-usapan ang ating outfits
Outfit.
today
What a
ah.
coincidence!
Ito ba?
What are the odds?
I know new faces, pero pati nga naman OOTD, isa nga pong Superman dyan,
Yeah,
Manny.
yeah.
Wow.
Okay, let's start light muna and ask kamusta ang iyong Christmas and New Year celebration. How did you guys spend your holidays?
Well, kami, we celebrate our Christmas party with my in-laws in Quezon.
Mm.
Tapos yung New Year sa house lang. Nagdala na lang kami ng mga macaroni salad na nilagay namin sa bote kasi mahirap dalhin nun nasa
Mhm.
lagayan lang eh. Walaan nyo anong size
Ah,
no.
Gano'n kadami yan?
Yan, mga
Pang ilang
sinukat ko
tao
eh,
ang
mga
kinakain
700
nyo?
ml.
Sino ka talaga?
Oo, kasi
Sukat.
sa M735 natin nilagay na yung
Ah.
aking sa Army Navy. Para siyempre madaling dalhin na rin. Tapos nung pagbalik, siyempre may kapalit yan. Yung macaroni filter namin ng buko salad.
Buko
Wow, ang
salad.
sarap.
Sarap. Ako naman partner, syempre labas dito, labas
Mm.
doon. Siyempre sinulit ko yung holiday season for family reunion. And of course, to meet my friends. And dun ko din na-realize, ang hirap pala ng packaging. That does not suit your habits, especially pag lagi kang nagmamadali or you have different activities. Tapos yung drink mo, hindi about durability of the packaging.
Kasi madami tayo ngayon mga on the go, no?
Diba?
Explain mo nga yan, partner MJ.
Eto nga partner, I'm sure makaka-relate kayo kasi for example, morning travel to work
Mm.
or sa office natin, syempre nagmamadali ka, you wake up early, and of course, you need a drink just to survive the day. And most of the time, we grab drinks na nasa paper cups with
Mm-mm.
plastic lids. And honestly, they are not really designed for people who are always on the go. Kaya, ang dali nilang ma-deform, isang wrong move mo lang sa bag, tapo na agad yung drink mo. Tapos, pag plastic cups naman, minsan okay, minsan hindi. Hindi sila maayos yung sealed nila. So, hindi sila secure when you're traveling.
Super relatable yung feeling na
Mhm.
naka-white ka pa talaga tapos matatapunan ka kasi hindi sealed yung packaging.
Sayang yung
no?
outfit.
Yeah, or yung may straw hole, no?
Mm-mm.
Tapos kahit anong gawin mo, hindi matakpan-takpan, tapos
Mhm.
tutulo pa rin.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Tapos kapag nag-commute ka or nag-drive-through, hassle kasi minsan yung binibigay na cup sa'yo or drinks na nasa
Mm-mm.
cup, hindi kasya sa cup holder ng sasakyan mo.
Ay.
Mag-a-adjust yung kotse mo.
Ayan, bibili ako
O kaya
panibago.
hawakan mo na lang.
So, malaking factor talaga yung packaging sa on-the-go
Correct.
lifestyle.
Yes, partner. Kasi hindi lang siya about convenience, about the confidence din. Gusto mo yung hawak mo, hindi ka kakabahan na matapon.
And syempre safety din, di ba?
Mm. So, kaya yung ganyan, may mga packaging na parang ang nipis, tapos pag nabasa na agad, di ba tayo, mahilig tayo sa iced coffees,
Oo.
iced matcha, na yung mga ganong incident, parang questionable na kung safe pa ba yung iinumin mo.
Mm-mm.
Yes, tapos syempre as a consumer, minsan gusto bumili dun sa mga drinks from small brands, no?
Mhm.
Pero yung packaging nila yung nagiging deal breaker. That's actually something MSMEs hears a lot from their consumers.
Mhm.
So, parang kahit okay yung product, kung hindi swak sa on-the-go lifestyle, mahirap.
Kaya ngayon napapansin ko din, mas
Mm-mm.
tiwala ako pag sealed yung drink. Yung parang okay to, safe to, pwede ko to dalhin. Slay ka pa. Diba?
Slay.
Which brings us to a very important question. Ano kaya yung packaging na kayang sumabay sa gantong mga trends?
A good question. Parang yung sagot nandito na.
Ay,
Post
ano
nga
ba?
ulit kayo dyan.
Ayan ba ulit?
Question.
Planted question. Good
Yeah.
segue, partner. And that's where aluminum can starts to make sense.
'Di ba? Pag nakakan, automatic na secured, walang spill at walang tagas.
And from the business perspective, no, aluminum cans can also help preserve the freshness and elevate product perception.
Actually, partners, while you're sharing, napapaisip ako. Kasi parang may mga, alam akong small brands na okay yung product nila, maganda rin yung quality,
Mhm.
healthy siya. Pero parang hindi pa rin ata kaya sumabay sa on the go.
Actually.
Yeah. And that's what exactly what we hear from our MSME as well, no? Gusto nilang sumabay sa on-the-go trend, pero ang tanong nila palagi, how, no? Paano? So, madalas sinasabi nila sa amin, gusto namin na mas secure na packaging, pero hindi pa namin kaya yung malaking kumpanya o yung malaking
Investment.
investment
Mhm.
para
Yes.
dun sa
Actually, marami
ganung
talagang
packaging.
mga ganyan. Kasi parang ang impression nila, pag maayos yung packaging,
Mm-mm.
maganda, mas mahal agad.
Mhm.
Kaya, akala nila, komplikado.
Yes, exactly. They think kailangan agad ng malaking factory, malaking capital, tapos malaking risk.
Kaya, which is scary, especially kung test product pa lang yung gagawin.
And that is where the conversation changes, partner MJ and partner Manly. Kasi there is a way for our MSMEs to start small, stay safe, and still look premium.
Oh, a packaging that works for both sides, the consumer and the MSME.
Yung hindi ka na kinakabahan uminom habang naglalakad.
At yung hindi ka kinakabahan bilang negosyo.
And that solution is what we call the OTG
OTG
kit.
So, what exactly is the OTG kit?
Yeah, the OTG kit is a compact canning solution designed specifically for MSMEs. It includes aluminum cans and a can simmer that allow business to seal beverages properly. Kahit small batch lang yung production nila.
So basically, ito yung dahilan kung bakit pwedeng nang mag-can kahit small brand pa lang.
Exactly. MSMEs can now produce in small batches, test their products in the market, ensure safety and freshness, and scale at their own pace.
And from a consumer perspective, this solves a lot of issues I mentioned earlier. 'Di ba? Also, our customers can freely customize their bright cans. Pwede nilang gawing different style like sticker label, pwede ring full wrap, half wrap, or yung mga pwede din nilang gamitin yung logo nila to make it keep classy or premium looking.
Wow.
Kasi ang OTG kit natin, it comes with the aluminum can and the can simmer that can seal your cans in just 3 seconds. Meron kasi ang ating aluminum cans. There's the body and the 202 ends. Ito yung takip natin sa aluminum cans. So with the can simmer, pwedeng ma-seal agad yan. Kaya sabi nga ni partner Manly, meron tayong pwede mag-start ang ating MSMEs ng small batch production pa lang. Kasi pag naka-can, sealed siya. Walang spill at alam mong protected yung iniinom mo.
Plus, may instant trust factor.
And from the business side, aluminum cans offer excellent barrier protection. Ito yung against light, air, contamination, while also being lightweight, convenient, and sustainable. Ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay it is infinitely recyclable. Katulad nga ng t-shirt namin. Aluminum
Yes.
can is
Forever!
Kasi hindi kami nagsisinungaling. Kaya be choosy. Choose cans.
So, the OTG kit isn't just about packaging, it's about confidence. Confidence ng consumer and confidence ng MSME. And that confidence is what helps small businesses grow.
And of course, hindi kompleto yan without asking, paano naman ang MSMEs na nagsisimula pa lang? Paano naman nila masisil yung cans?
That's where OTG comes in.
Mm-mm.
This allows MSMEs package their products in aluminum cans by using the can simmer that comes from the package to seal the cans and the lids. These sealed products maintains their quality and that they can test their market, no? And sabi ko nga kanina, they can actually scale up gradually as the demand grows. Like our distributors, customer in Bukidnon,
Wow,
si
okay.
Missionaries of the Sacred Heart, they use our OTG kit for their kombu-rich products and serve it at schools promoting healthy drink. It's premium looking, making it more appealing sa mga students. Common kasi ng existing nilang packaging was in PET and sa flexibles na SUP. Using aluminum cans, elevate agad yung perception sa products, tapos clean, easy to handle, and safe.
So basically, OTG kits make canning using aluminum cans more approachable and less intimidating.
Exactly. And now that we've talked about the packaging, let's talk about what goes inside. So, since it's a new year, marami sa atin ang mas conscious na sa mga iniinom natin.
Tama, partner. That's why healthy, ready-to-drink beverages are becoming more popular, especially those made by MSMEs. Because with the right packaging, MSMEs can confidently sell products like natural juices, herbal drinks, coffees, or teas.
Wow, that's a wide variety na
Madami,
pwede
diba?
ilagay dun sa
Yes.
cans, diba? So, speaking of which, Allison, do you know any MSMEs currently using this concept ba?
Yes, of course. One good example is the SVD Laudato Si Farm in Tagaytay. They produce healthy drinks like glutamate, lemonade cucumber or calamansi, and other natural beverages. They promote fresh produce products from farm to table. They wanted a packaging kasi that looks professional and easy to carry or bring anywhere. Kasi yung mga yung latag or yung parang location nila doon, medyo pabundok. Alam niyo, nagsiserve talaga sila outside.
Oh,
So yung mga waiter nila, hawak na, isipin niyo kung ano, ang bigat or
Mhm.
madaling matapon, ganyan. So they wanted a packaging that's easy to carry and convenient. Tapos of course, good for the environment din kasi they value the teaching of Pope Francis, yung Laudato Si, which is the care for our common home.
Ayan, and that's where aluminum cans really help, 'di ba? Kasi when people see drinks in cans, parang may instant trust. Kasi sealed, protected, and hygienic pa.
That is why SVD Farm was able to transition from PET bottles to cans smoothly. The OTG kit empowered them to level up their packaging. Then how about you, partner Manly? Do you have any examples na pwede nyong i-share? Aside from na-mention mo kanina yung Missionaries of the Sacred Heart.
Right now,
Mm.
our OTG kit is being used by Gift of Greece Food Manufacturing Corporation in Baguio as their on-the-go packaging options for their rice and soya coffee. This is their way of promoting their product by making it unique, no? And this stands out sa market. And also, Rina Cielo is currently doing a product trial for their fruit wine in our cans. They are testing for the shelf life, which is now on the 8-month period.
Wow, that is actually good yung MSME mo. They're testing their products. So sa mga namin ngayon, MSMEs, that is a reminder to test muna, to do a shelf life study
Of
sa
course,
inyong
para
mga products.
safe. Yes.
Kaya ano ang masabi natin dyan, partner Maywell?
And because Package Deal is not just about us, but
Yes.
about you, our partners online. Let's watch how MSMEs like the ones mentioned na SVD, Laudato Si Farm, and Layad de Cordillera use aluminum cans and the OTG kits to bring premium-looking beverages to the market. Let's watch this.
Mapagpalang araw, my name is Jolene Laines. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager here at SVD Laudato Si Farm. For the products, ang makikita nyo talaga dito, yung mga, kami mismo yung nagtatanim. Kami ay really unique kasi we are focusing more on spiritual aspects, spiritual activities. Kaya kung makikita nyo rin, we have the chapel ng Virgin of the Poor. Ang in-offer namin is more on recollection, retreats. Siyempre, meron kaming the food and beverage department, yung aming restaurant, the cafe. And also, syempre, nag-offer din kami ng iba't ibang services. So, dahil kami ay mayroong cafe, doon nag-start na nagkaroon kami ng mga in-can natin dito. Doon kami nagkaroon na-introduce po yung ating healthy juices in can. So, doon na nag-start. Aside sa mga ino-offer namin mga farm-produced product, paano natin makapangalagaan ang environment? Yun ang number one namin na tiningnan. At ang isa sa naging answer po doon, which is really timing, doon sa Laudato Si, is ang San Miguel Yamamura po ay nagkaroon po ng can na in-offer din po para po makatulong sa pag-aayos ng ating environment. Iwas na less with plastics, yun yung isa namin sa ginawa eh. Maganda yung feedback ng mga guests eh, kasi syempre, it's something unique. Makikita nila, wow, yung sa pagtimpla pa lang ng drinks, kami na kasi ang gumagawa. So kami yung personally na nagsiseal dito, yung nakikita nila na, kayo talaga yung gumagawa dito, taga-alam nila na fresh yung ino-offer namin dito sa farm. Lang yun sa ino-offer na in-can, nakikita nila na bawat corners may mga, mga trash cans, may mga pinaglalagyan tayo ng mga lata, at nagtatanong sila, ano po yung ginagawa nyo after niya? Siyempre, we also recycle it. Kahit paano, makatulong tayo in protecting our mother nature. So, yun yung naging talagang purpose namin. Kaya talagang, we are really thankful sa naging magandang effect po ng ating mga in-can dito sa SVD Laudato Si Farm. Thank you and isang mapagpalang araw po muli sa inyo.
Yes, hello po. So, I'm Helena Butigan from Layad de Cordillera. Layad de Cordillera po is the operator po ng Otoc Hub Baguio Benguet. Located po kami dito sa CCPC Upper Section Road. Ito po, the Reina Celo Wine was established by Mr. and Miss Marina and Marcelo Salibio. So, sa kanila po nag-start to. So, we got it from them. So, we maintain the name Rinasel. Nagamit lang po nila is bottle. So, we have a new venture now. Linagay po namin sa can. As you can see, yung wine po natin, linagay namin sa can. So, it has a new look, yung wine. Mas mura rin po siya. So, this is more cost efficient and easier po to carry. So, di ba? Kahit mahulog to, hindi to mababasa. Available po to ngayon dito sa store namin. Again, here at Upper Session Road, Baguio City. Near po kami ng Grand Joe and in front po ng PFBRG. Itong can na to, ginagamitan po ito ng hand simmer. And para ma-seal, no? So, this is also from San Miguel Yamamura. Gamit na rin po ito ng aming mga kasamahang MSMEs. So, we have 2 MSMEs ngayon na gumagamit dito sa Baguio. From Gift of Grace, ginagamit nila to for their soya milk, soya coffee. Makikita nyo rin po sila during trade fairs. Meron din po tayo kay Leslie Umaming ng Mountain Harvest. Nakakan na rin actually yung kanyang wine. So, yon makikita nyo sa Strawberry Farm. So, once na nandun po kayo Strawberry Farm, makita nyo po yung booth na BSU doon. So, makikita nyo po yung wine na nakakan. That is from Mountain Harvest. Thank you po.
Grabe, ang ganda ng SVD Farm tsaka Layad de Cordillera, no? Healthy drink, sustainable, and swak dun sa on-the-go trend natin ngayon. And if you heard what Miss Joy said kanina during the interview, meron po tayong Choose Cans program where we collect and recycle used aluminum cans.
Dahil hindi lang hanggang premium look ang offering natin, kung hindi good for the environment and society din.
Diba? Grabe. I love how sealed and travel-friendly yung mga drinks nila,
Mm-mm.
diba? Parang pwede mo bitbitin kahit sa school or sa work na walang hassle and super convenient pa.
Tama. And it really elevates their product. Premium look pero still accessible sa mga consumers.
Mhm.
Ayun, kaya mga kapartners, if you want to try out their products, visit Layad in Baguio or SVD in Tagaytay. Uy, malamig pa ata ngayon doon, no?
Malamig pa
Malamig
ba?
pa ba? Summer na ba? We'll find out. Tara, let's visit. Let's go.
Road trip.
Parehas atang malamig. So, drop by, guys, and enjoy their refreshing and yummy drinks.
Actually, meron din akong nakita kanina while watching the MSME video ng SVD. Nakita nyo meron silang water in can. Kakaiba
Diba?
yun. Kaya
Kakaiba.
visit SVD in Tagaytay or Layad in Baguio. Sa mga entrepreneurs naman natin na interested din sa ating OTG kit, available naman ito sa ating mga distributors as you can see in the screen. So partners, today we strengthened our knowledge that packaging isn't just packaging, it's part of your lifestyle. Pero teka, syempre meron din kaming pasabog dahil Happy New Year.
May pasabog.
May pasabog. Let us all welcome. We also have a very, very special
Oh,
guest
sino
today.
yung
mga
very,
special?
very
Baka gusto
special?
niyo introduce yung special guest natin today.
Dalawa yan. Special.
Dalawa, special.
Okay, let us all welcome Miss Anna and Miss G.
Welcome, welcome.
Yeah.
The special guest.
The special guests.
Happy New Year!
Happy New
Thank you for
Year.
inviting us. So, to our MSMEs, we wish you
fresh start,
new opportunities.
and more success in 2026.
So, believe in yourself because, yes, you can!
Hey,
Exactly.
exactly.
Yes,
Wow.
you can.
Love that.
Ano lang yan, be choosy eh.
Choose
Be choosy, choose
dami
can.
tagline
Because
ngayon, ah.
yes, you can.
Yes, exactly. The right packaging empowers you, your choices, and your business so that it
Checks the package deal. Thank you so much, partner Manly and partner MJ, and of course, our very special guest.
Thank you,
Thank you,
partner.
Miss Anna.
And to our mga kapartners watching online, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and or reach out to your authorized distributor. And also make sure to like, share, and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of our future episodes. Also, while you're at it, join na rin kayo sa ating Viber group. Link in the description.
And don't forget to answer our survey form because we value your feedback. This is to help every episode na para ma-improve namin kasi makikita at makikita nyo pa rin po kami.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. And then until next time, keep innovating and keep growing. Thank you.
See you. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.
Bye.